everyone, welcome back to you in my YouTube channel. Today I will got something excited for you. What if I told you you can build a website, applications, automations and etc. without writing a single coding? Yes, it's called no coding. Let's dive into it. Let's start with what is a no coding. No coding means it's like a creating things like say website, apps, automations, tools and everything with the use of drag and drop platforms. Just like PowerPoint presentations and Canva uses also. It's just like a Lego blocks. You can pick whatever you want and drag them on it. See, boom, it's working. Some of the examples of platforms where you can drag them out and the exciting of the apps, websites, automations, canvas, pictures and whatever you want. So first we can use as a Wix, W-I-X, and then we can move to the Notion. It's called N-O-T-I-O-N, and then Zapier, Z-A-P-I-E-R, Glide, G-L-I-D-E, and last thing last, Canva. These 5 applications as a platform, you can create a more websites, apps, automations, images, whatever you want. It can be useful it will create a useful things on your website that can be useful for everything what you want. Just drag them out and see the action of booming the website, apps and other things that you may be promoting. Let's dive into the why no coding. Why no coding is so powerful than the present life. Because it saves the money, time and precious of everything that may be saved in a time to effortlessly to create a websites, apps and automations that may be created by your grandma also. You do not need to learn a programming language like Python, C++ and AML, and also in a program language can be equally learned by each and everything on the programming. Just you need to a clear idea of the website, other things you want to execute in a single way. Let's have some real experience. Let's say you are running a home bakery. You want a website for orders. Instead of hiring a developer, you can use Wix, Shopify and other platforms that are useful for one afternoon to create your own website and online store to live your orders. It seems like easy and quick process. Time saving, money saving and also the execution of the plan should be very clear to enough refreshment to live the online platforms. Let's dive into the popular tools that may be useful for your website, apps and other things that may be generative AI or any other things. So tool number 1, Wix or Webflow. It can be useful for building a website. Number 2, Glide or Adolo. It can be useful for building a mobile apps. Number 3, Rotation or Airtable. This can be creates a database on your websites. Number 4, Zapier or Make. This can be useful for automatic task for your generative things that you may have been created on that platforms. Last thing last, this will be very powerful and generative, more effective than their relative things. Canva and Figma. These two tools are very useful for designing a graphics or UI user interface also. These 5 tools are beginner friendly and tons of templates. You just pick one and customize it. Let's have a quick demo on Glide that can be created a apps for everything. We will turn a Google Sheet into a mobile app. Open a Glide and upload a Google Sheet that you have been created with data. Watch it. It becomes a mobile app. See what? It just 3 minutes or less than 2 minutes of the time taken for creating a app within 3 minutes of time. Sounds good, right? If you are watching my video first time, please subscribe and hit a like button to this video for encouraging my talent. If you are done, let's continue to the who should learn no coding. It should be very clearly entrepreneurs, small business owners, creators, students, even developers who want to save the time. They may also learn the no coding platforms. Even if you do not want to career in tech, you must learn a no coding. It gives you a super wings for building and solving everything without a programming or a coding. It's very useful for problem solving in fast way. Time saves and money saves and everything that may be useful for in a particular data to insert very fastly. So if you are late on no coding sections, please try to understand what is a no coding and just learn it and create a uniqueness of your life without coding or a programming. Here we go. If you are curious about starting a no coding journey, hit a like button to this video and drop a comment on this video. I will make you a full series of no coding soon. Subscribe for more easy beginner friendly content and just snippets of code and programming. This is Shanmuga Sri Vaishnav signing off. Let's meet in a new video. Thank you.